Here is a list of 100 must-know English words for beginners, along with simple explanations of their meanings and example sentences demonstrating their usage.
1. Hello, used to greet someone. Example, hello, how are you? 2. Goodbye, used to bid farewell. Example, goodbye, see you later. 3. Please, used to make a polite request. Example, please pass the salt. 4. Thank you, expresses gratitude. Example, thank you for your help. 5. Sorry, used to apologize. Example, I'm sorry for the mistake. 6. Yes indicates agreement or affirmation. Example, yes, I would like some tea. 7. No indicates refusal or disagreement. Example, no, thank you, I'm not hungry. 8. Excuse me, used to get someone's attention or to apologize. Example, excuse me, could you repeat that? 9. I first person singular pronoun. Example, I am going to the store. 10. You, second person singular pronoun. Example, you are my friend. 11. He, third person singular pronoun masculine. Example, he is my brother. 12. She, third person singular pronoun feminine. Example, she is my sister. 13. It, third person singular pronoun neutral. Example, it is raining outside. 14. We, first person plural pronoun. Example, we are going to the park. 15. They, third person plural pronoun. Example, they're my classmates. 16. This, demonstrative pronoun indicating something nearby. Example, this is my book. 17. That, demonstrative pronoun indicating something farther away. Example, that is my house. 18. Here indicates a place close by. Example, come here, please. 19. There indicates a place farther away. Example, the store is over there. 20. What? Used to ask about something. Example, what is your name? 21. Where? Used to ask about a place or location. Example, where is the nearest restroom? 22. When? Used to ask about the time or duration. Example, when is the meeting? 23. Why? Used to ask for a reason or explanation. Example, why did you do that? 24. How? Used to ask about the manner or method. Example, how are you feeling? 25. Who? Used to ask about a person. Example, who is coming to the party? 26. Which? Used to ask about a choice or selection. Example, which color do you prefer? 27. Name, noun referring to the title by which someone or something is known. Example, what is your name? 28. Age, noun referring to the number of years someone has lived. Example, my age is 25, 29. Number, noun referring to a quantity or figure. Example, what is your phone number? 30. Color, noun referring to the shade or hue of something. Example, my favorite color is blue. 31. Red, noun and color adjective representing the color red. Example, the apple is red. 32. Blue, noun and color adjective representing the color blue. Example, the sky is blue. 33. Green, noun and color adjective representing the color green. Example, the grass is green. 34. Yellow. Noun and color adjective representing the color yellow. Example, the sun is yellow. 35. White. Noun and color adjective representing the color white. Example, the snow is white. 36. Black. Noun and color adjective representing the color black. Example, the cat is black. 37. Big. Adjective describing something large in size. Example, that is a big house. 38. Small. Adjective describing something little in size. Example, I have a small dog. 39. Tall. Adjective describing something of great height. Example, the tree is tall. 40. Short. Adjective describing something of limited height. Example, she is short. 41. Long. Adjective describing something of considerable length. Example, the river is long. 42. New. Adjective describing something recently made or acquired. Example, I bought a new car. 43. Old. Adjective describing something not new, having existed for a long time. Example, that is an old book. 44. Good. Adjective describing something favorable or satisfactory. Example, that was a good movie. 45. Bad. Adjective describing something unfavorable or poor. Example, I had a bad day. 46. Happy. Adjective describing a state of joy or contentment. Example, I am happy to see you. 47. Sad. Adjective describing a state of sorrow or unhappiness. Example, she looks sad. 48. Hot. Adjective describing high temperature. Example, the weather is hot today. 49. Cold. Adjective describing low temperature. Example, it's cold outside. 50. Fast. Adjective describing something moving quickly. Example, the car is fast. 51. Slow. Adjective describing something moving at a low speed. Example, the turtle is slow. 52. Early. Adjective describing something occurring before the expected time. Example, I woke up early. 53. Late. Adjective describing something occurring after the expected time. Example, he arrived late to the party. 54. Big. Adjective describing something large in size. Example, that is a big house. 55. Small. Adjective describing something little in size. Example, I have a small dog. 56. Old. Adjective describing something not new, having existed for a long time. Example, that is an old book. 57. New. Adjective describing something recently made or acquired. Example, I bought a new car. 58. Good. Adjective describing something favorable or satisfactory. Example, that was a good movie. 59. Bad. Adjective describing something unfavorable or poor. Example, I had a bad day. 60. Happy. Adjective describing a state of joy or contentment. Example, I am happy to see you. 61. Sad. Adjective describing a state of sorrow or unhappiness. Example, she looks sad. 62. Hot. Adjective describing high temperature. Example, the weather is hot today. 63. Cold. Adjective describing low temperature. Example, it's cold outside. 64. Fast. Adjective describing something moving quickly. Example, the car is fast. 65. Slow. Adjective describing something moving at a low speed. Example, the turtle is slow. 66. Early. Adjective describing something occurring before the expected time. Example, I woke up early. 67. Late. adjective describing something occurring after the expected time. Example, he arrived late to the party. 68. Always, adverb indicating at all times. Example, I always brush my teeth before bed. 69. Never, adverb indicating not at any time. Example, I never eat sushi. 70. Sometimes, adverb indicating occasionally. Example, sometimes I go for a walk in the park. 71. Often, adverb indicating frequently. Example, I often visit my grandparents. 72. Now, adverb indicating the present time. Example, I am busy now. 73. Later, adverb indicating a point in time after the present. Example, I will call you later. 74. Yesterday, adverb indicating the day before today. Example, we went to the beach yesterday. 75. Today, adverb indicating the current day. Example, today is Monday. 76. Tomorrow, adverb indicating the day after today. Example, we will have a meeting tomorrow. 77. Monday, noun indicating the first day of the week. Example, I have a meeting on Monday. 78. Tuesday, noun indicating the second day of the week. Example, we have a test on Tuesday. 79. Wednesday, noun indicating the third day of the week. Example, we go to the gym on Wednesday. 80. Thursday, noun indicating the fourth day of the week. Example, we have dinner with friends on Thursday. 81. Friday, noun indicating the fifth day of the week. Example, we go to the movies on Friday. 82. Saturday, noun indicating the sixth day of the week. Example, we have a party on Saturday. 83. Sunday, noun indicating the seventh day of the week. Example, we relax and watch TV on Sunday. 84. Eat, verb indicating the action of consuming food. Example, I eat breakfast every morning. 85. Drink, verb indicating the action of consuming liquids. Example, I drink water throughout the day. 86. Sleep, verb indicating the action of resting with eyes closed. Example, I sleep for 8 hours every night. 87. Walk, verb indicating the action of moving on foot. Example, I walk to work every day. 88. Run, verb indicating the action of moving quickly on foot. Example, I run in the park for exercise. 89. Jump, verb indicating the action of propelling oneself off the ground. Example, the athlete can jump very high. 90. Play, verb indicating engaging in an activity for amusement. Example, children love to play outside. 91. Read, verb indicating the action of understanding written words. Example, I like to read books. 92. Write, verb indicating the action of forming words on a surface. Example, I write in my journal every night. 93. Sing, verb indicating the action of producing musical sounds with the voice. Example, she sings beautifully. 94. Dance, verb indicating the action of moving rhythmically to music. Example, we dance at parties. 95. Watch, verb indicating the action of looking at something attentively. Example, we watch movies on weekends. 96. Listen, verb indicating the action of paying attention to sounds. Example, I like to listen to music. 97. Talk, verb indicating the action of speaking with someone. Example, we talk on the phone every day. 98. Laugh, verb indicating the action of making sounds of amusement. Example, he laughs at funny jokes. 99. Cry, verb indicating the action of shedding tears due to sadness or pain. Example, she cries when she's upset. 100. Love, verb indicating strong affection or attraction towards someone or something. Example, I love my family.